Good morning everyone. So today we're here in Loboc in Bohol. It's about I think an hour and 30 minutes from Pangas where we were the other day. It's really nice the area that we're in. You can see here we got like rice fields now. So it's my first time seeing like rice fields up close like this. So that's pretty cool. And you can see behind there, that is the place that we're staying, called Twilight I think. Just $10 a night as well. It's actually pretty nice though. And today we got a number of things we're going to be doing. It's going to be more in like the forest area, maybe like a river. We're going to see this little animal called Tarsier. I think that's what we're going to do now. So I'm not sure what order we're going to do it in, but we're heading there now. Alright, we got our breakfast here. So we got pan de coco here, coconut bread, Spanish bread, what's that? Pan de sal, just normal salt bread, and banana cake. 35 pesos. So a lot of people had requested me to get the pan de coco, the coconut bread, and yeah, I can confirm it is really tasty, really sweet. So we just rented our first scooter here in Southeast Asia, and I think it's just under $8 a day. We got it for 2 days. Carol's gonna be the driver. Okay, so we've arrived at the Tarsier place. You gotta speak quietly because yeah, they're a very shy animal, and it was 120 pesos for the two of us, so just over $1 each. So let's see if we can find this thing. Guys, so we've got one closer here. He's sleeping though. They're tiny, right? Yeah, so the lady told me that at maximum they only grow like 5 inches, so it's kind of like the size of my hand, super tiny, and they're nocturnal, so during the day they're pretty much all sleeping like you saw. But yeah, really cute animal. It's only a quick tour anyway, but we got to see about 6 or 7 of them, and yeah, now we're gonna head back on the scooter and go to the second location. We have now arrived at probably the most popular tourist destination here in Bohol, a place called Chocolate Hills. You're probably going to see why. It's because the hills kind of look like chocolate from afar, and this was $1 per person to enter. So we just got to head up one of the mountains here and we'll get the view. So here we have it. These are the Chocolate Hills. There's loads, they just go back and back. And I think at different time of the year, they're more like brownish color. So there was some signs at the top saying that you can't fly your drone after 8 AM, and it's a lot later than that now. So we've just come down to some car park here so that I can fly it, and we should be able to get some way better views. We've now come to a place called Pangas Falls. I don't even think it's really that much of a tourist attraction. It's kind of down like a dirt road, but it was only like 15 minutes away from Chocolate Hills. So it cost us $1 for the both of us to enter. And yeah, let's check this place out. So you can see we got the falls here. There's only 4 other people here, so really quiet. But yeah, really beautiful. Our first falls here in the Philippines.
You said you've already done it, right?
After.
Have you already done it?
Yes.
You already jumped?
Yes.
Oh yeah?
After you.
Alright, we're gonna jump off this thing.
Oh my god.
What? Now it's time for Mr. Chicken to jump. Why didn't you jump, Carol?
It's too high.
Too high? Even the chicken's jumping. Are you a chicken?
Yeah, it's too high.
So I didn't actually know these falls had places that you could jump, but I hadn't even really seen photos of it. I just read on some blog that it was a cool place to come. And just to give you an idea, the 3 locations that we've been today are all within like a 30-minute radius of each other, so yeah, you can do them really quick. I mean, we've only been out like about 3-4 hours and we've done all 3 like already, so, and we still got like majority of the day left. And
they're cheap.
and what?
They're cheap.
Oh yeah, and they're really cheap because what, we spent like $1 in each place, right?
Yeah, basically.
Yeah, so it's been like $1.50 each for everything, pretty much. So really nice. Which one did you prefer, do you think?
I think this place.
This?
I like it better.
Yeah. The Tarsier was cool as well.
Yeah.
Chocolate Hills was just
Yeah, it's nice.
it's nice, but it's just a quick thing, right? Yeah. But yeah, I think if you have a scooter, it ends up being a lot cheaper than doing it with the tour companies. How have you found riding the scooter? Your first time, right?
Yeah.
Has it been good?
Yeah, it's not that difficult, but you need to be careful.
Like riding a bike?
Kind of.
Kind of. Yeah, so it's a shame that I can't actually ride the scooters because I don't have a driving license. My driving license was tied to my American visa, which I don't have anymore, but they didn't even ask, right?
Yeah, that's weird because I thought they was gonna ask my passport. Like, we read that sometimes they keep the person's passport, but they didn't ask for my driver's license or passport or anything. So
they didn't ask for anything. They just, I mean, I could have done it as well, but I just might as well let her do it since, yeah, since she has the actual documents. And I think now we're just gonna relax a bit more here for a while, and then later on we'll head back to where we're staying. Before we leave, we just came across this really beautiful bridge here, hanging bridge. And then behind me, you can see you got all these like beautiful palm trees, rice fields. So yeah, really amazing and peaceful here. Hello. Back at where we're staying now, and we actually just arranged a little river cruise for tomorrow, which is one of the main things to do here in Loboc. You can see that's the river here, so we're going to be going on one of those boats over there, and they also include like lunch and stuff. It's for an hour, So yeah, we just arranged that, and I think tomorrow we're also going to be checking out some more waterfalls, so stay tuned for that video. And as always, drop a like if you like this one, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.